So guys, this is after the earthquake. Look at the road is damaged, all the building collapsed. Look at a lot of people died, a lot of casualties. People are suffering in so many countries, natural disaster that befalls them. We are very lucky. Imagine 17 million people affected. A lot of people died and a lot of them are in casualties. Nigerians, we are lucky, honestly. Which natural disasters are we facing except flood that happens once in a while? Please, guys, like, comment, and share, and follow my page for more. We are lucky in this our country. We don't suffer much natural disasters, unlike other countries. This happened on the 17th of, I'm sorry, on the 28th of March 2025.